right, thank you, Jane. You know, voting's fun. You get a pen and even a cool sticker out of it, right? So here's the look. West Palm Beach, a beautiful day on this Sunday. It was warm, a little bit above our average for this time of the year. We should start to see temperatures in the lower 80s, but we did make it up to 86 degrees earlier today, rebounding from the upper 70s. It was a very warm start this morning. Normally this time of the year, we should start to see temperatures when you wake up in the low 70s, a lot more 60s, but we are going to hold on to that warm trend over the next few mornings. Right now, looking very nice still, 83 degrees, east breeze at 10 miles per hour, humidity not the worst, 65%, feeling a little bit warmer, more like the upper 80s out the door. So overall, though, it's been a very beautiful weekend. So as we take a look at the radar, 1 hour time lapse, not really much going on. I have the Miami radar up, but as I switch up towards the Melbourne radar, I'm tracking just a few spotty showers, mainly off the coast there of the Treasure Coast. So none really quite working on to land just yet, but we're not going to rule out maybe a stray shower or two between now and 9 o'clock for mostly the Treasure Coast. So we have this setup where we have a warm front and it's going to pretty much dissipate. So we're not going to see too much from it. We could see a few early morning showers there into your Monday. Second half of the day, most of the rain mostly inland. So it's going to be a very nice day for trick-or-treaters throughout your Monday evening, even throughout the late night hours. And then the next player on our roster will be high pressure. That'll filter in. That's going to keep things pretty steady over the next several days. After that, we're going to have that east onshore wind, a little breezy at times, but nothing significant happening in the weather department. So it's actually going to be fairly calm. So here we go. Overnight into tomorrow morning, we have a chance for maybe a couple spotty showers rolling in from the Atlantic waters. Morning rain can't be rolled out along the coastal areas, pushing inland just around the morning hours, so 6:30 till sunrise, right around 7:30 a.m. And then the second half of the afternoon, most of that moves inland and pushes off towards the western half of the state. So here we go. Morning's going to be very mild. We're going to wake up to those 70s for your Halloween start to the day. Kids dressing up for school. It's going to be a very warm afternoon. Temperatures right around 86 degrees. It's going to feel more like the upper 80s at a point. A little breeze at times with an isolated shower too, mostly inland. And then the evening looking phenomenal. Temperatures will be very comfortable for the low 80s, sundown right around 6:39 p.m. So it's going to be a very nice day on your Monday, of course, with the exception of those few spotty showers in the morning. Water vapor is still showing some dry air over Florida, looking good. As we move further south in the Caribbean, we have quite the mixture. We have a lot of dry air on the western Caribbean. On this portion right here, this is our next tropical system. It's potential tropical cyclone number 15. Next name on the list is Lisa. We're going to look at the consensus, which is that clump of where models are in agreement where it's heading, and that means it is going towards the Central America area, the Yucatan Peninsula, right around Belize, maybe some landfall as a category 1 if it does withstand all that dry air I just showed you. So tonight looking good. Temperatures pretty warm. Look for those mid to upper 70s along the coast, upper 60s inland. And then tomorrow we're going to wake up again to a nice quiet start for your morning, rebounding into the mid to upper 80s by the afternoon. Isolated showers mostly inland, but for the morning commute on Halloween, we could see a few spotty showers near the coast. Speaking of the coast, we do have that east prominent wind, 10 to 15 knots, seas at around 3 to 5 feet. Overall, though, looking very good. So upper 80s in the forecast Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right around 86 degrees. So we're going to stay pretty much well above our average over the next several days. I do think we start to see a little bit of tropical moisture moving in by next Sunday. Next Sunday, also November 6th, is when we change the clocks back 1 hour. Jade?